Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel if you're new. Today's video is going to be another home haul. I don't have too many decor pieces just because I'm renovating the house right now and I just don't want a bunch of knickknacks sitting around. Actually, that really just isn't my style anyways. I like to have just statement pieces that are good, that speak to me, but I'm just extra minimal right now because we are doing so much construction in the house. It's literally a construction zone and I honestly just don't want to dust any more than I have to. But today I'm going to show you guys some things that I use kind of on a regular basis, just some fun things that I picked up that I thought you guys might be interested in seeing too. And I am partnering with Gordmans on today's video once again. This is my third time working with them and they've been a dream to work with. And I love shopping at Gordmans anyway, so it's just kind of the perfect little fit. So huge thank you to them for sponsoring this video today. Because Gordmans is a full department store, you can literally find anything there from clothes to home decor to dog stuff. So you can just find it all. It's kind of a one-stop shop. That's why I love going there. And the prices are amazing. They have a best price guarantee, so you're gonna find the lowest prices on the items that you buy there versus anywhere else that you could find them. So the first thing that I picked up is actually this K-cup drawer. I already have the K-cup little spinner where you can put all of the K-cups in, but I picked this up because I think I'm going to be moving my coffee station to my kitchen now, which I never had it in my kitchen, but since we are renovating it, I think I have the perfect spot for it. So I picked this up to put there. I love how convenient this is. You can just literally pull out the drawer, get your cake out, pop it in, and you're good to go, because in the morning that is the first thing that I want. I actually have this exact same Keurig, so I thought it looked really good together. So I'm excited to put this in the kitchen. I'm going to be doing a coffee station kind of tour, I guess, on my channel really soon with my current coffee bar setup because it's really cute and it's functional, and I just want to share it with you guys. So be on the lookout for that video soon. The next thing I picked up is this olive oil sprayer. So basically how this works is you just put regular olive oil that you buy inside of here so you can spray it out, which is so much more convenient than actually having to pour the olive oil into the pan and getting way too much. This is great if you're actually watching how much oil you're going to be using, because when you spray it, you get so much less in your pan or on your foods, but you still get the flavor from it, or you still, can use the olive oil for its purpose for cooking. But it can save you so much more calories, and to me, saving calories is saving money. Who doesn't want to do that? If you are someone that buys just the aerosol sprayers that already have olive oil in them, they don't last the longest, and you actually end up, having to spend more in the long run versus just buying a big thing of olive oil and then just refilling it in here. So I'm very excited about this. And I almost forgot, but I want to share the prices on all of this with you guys. You guys can kind of get an idea of how much you actually save when you purchase it at Gordmans versus purchasing it just its regular retail price. So this little sprayer was $7.99, and it's originally anywhere else you find it $12.99. So next up is another kitchen item. I'm kind of going crazy for kitchen things right now just because my kitchen renovation is almost done and I'm just really excited. So I picked up this oven spill guard. I've actually never seen one of these before. This was only $2.99 and it retails for $8. And I just got a brand new oven that I'm so excited about. I'm so in love with it and I really want to try to keep it as clean as possible. But the reality is I am just a messy cook in general. So I thought that this would be perfect to have for the bottom of the oven. Basically what you do is just put this on the floor of the oven, and then all of the spills from the food and everything will land on this instead of your oven, which makes it a whole heck of a lot easier to clean because you just take this out and then it wipes right off, and then you put it back and you have a clean oven. So I was really excited about this, and again it was only $2.99, which I thought was awesome. These are a set of 4 wine glasses, and the brand of these is Red Series. They retail for $15 and I picked them up for $6.99, which makes them under $2 per cup, which I thought was a really great deal. So this is a stemless wine goblet, and I not only like to use these for wine when I'm hosting and stuff, but I also like to use them just for water with lemon in it, or just summertime drinks. They're great for water to wine, so very excited about these. Next up are some picture frames. These aren't your traditional looking picture frames, and I actually just found these online. I think it was on Instagram through a company, and they retailed for so much more, over $100, which was crazy, but I really did like them. And I spotted them at Gordmans for $4.98 a piece, and I actually got a set of 4 of them. So this is what they look like. The paper inside is actually just an insert, and it's not really your traditional picture frame because they are completely acrylic. and they're a magnet, which is really cool. So you just take the insert out, put your picture in there, whatever you want to put in there. And the little corner tabs right there, hopefully you can see them on camera, but they're actually little magnets that just click together and hold your picture in there or whatever you're going to put in there. And I thought that these would be so cute for so many different things. I have one in the kitchen right now with Annabelle's picture in it. And I love that it serves as a frame, but it doesn't take up very much of visual space. It can feel really heavy. That's why I have one in the kitchen, because I didn't want my countertops to be cluttered whatsoever. So I love that I can still have my little picture of Annabelle in there, but you can see through it, so it doesn't feel like there's a picture in there, if that makes sense. But I also had a couple other really cool ideas with these. I thought it'd be really cool to take a set of 4 and put it down like on my ottoman as a tray, and then put things on top of it and just like little pictures in here or magazine cutouts. I just feel like you could do so much with these. It would also be really cool to stack like this, and it's kind of like a stackable picture frame. Which I thought would be really neat. When you have guests over, they could pick them up and look through them. Just kind of like a chic twist on like a photo album. So I was really, really excited to find these. I know I'm going to get so many different uses out of them. They're just very versatile. I can take them to pretty much any room and make use of them. They're so dirty right now because I have my fingers all over them. They're so modern and clean and chic, and I just feel like they give you that like designer look. I just love them. And then I also picked up a new little laundry basket for Tim's clothes, because I don't know what it is, but the man always throws his clothes right on the bottom of his closet floor when he gets home from work, and it drives me insane. So I got him a new laundry basket to put in there. Hopefully that will give him the hint to put his laundry in there. I've never really been a fan of cloth hampers or anything like that, just because I'm afraid that like moisture will get in there and it'll mold and a nasty situation. But I plan on only using this one just for his clothes that will be dry. So hopefully that works out good for me, but this one was so cute, I just couldn't pass it up. They have so many different cute ones there. And I've been on the hunt to find the perfect pot for my orchid. I've had this orchid for over maybe 2 years now, and I have just been trying to find that perfect pot, and I found one finally at Gordman's. This one is white with a lot of texture on it, which I love because of course you guys know I love white, but the texture on it just makes it really unique and fun. I just took my old orchid outside, I broke the pot that was on it, and then I filled the new pot with moss. So super easy, and it saves you tons of money just to buy it separate like that versus buying the whole thing together. And then one of the things that I'm most excited about is this computer stand. I have been needing one of these for so long. My neck hurts so bad from sitting and editing for hours, and just being on the computer. I am always on the computer doing something. I love the faux wood on it with the metal. My neck feels so much better. I can sit on the couch now and edit or shop or do whatever. I can also bring it to bed with me, and it's literally the perfect height for my head to like fully meet it, so I'm not always looking down. And I actually even use it on my dining room table. Like I will set it on the table and it's the perfect height. It's also adjustable, so you can go higher or lower if you need to. They have tons of cute ones there. They have like some pink ones, they have a plain black one, they have a black and a wood one, so there's a lot of options, but I love it. I'm so glad I got it, and I'm like kicking myself for not getting one sooner because it has just made me feel so much better. What kind of home haul would this be if I didn't share pillows with you guys? I love accent pillows. I love switching them up, and I found these two at Gordman's for only $12.99 a piece, which is a great deal. And my little hack for picking up pillows is always just look at the cover of them and if they can be unzipped or not. And if the filling inside isn't the best, you can always switch that out, but getting just a good fabric on the outside is what's key. And I love the like velvet kind of suede material on these, and I love that it wasn't like super smooth. It had a little bit of texture to it. I just thought it would look so great on my couch or even in my guest bedroom. And then last but not least, I picked up this rug, which is super cute. I needed an entryway rug, or not really an entryway, like a side entryway, I guess you would say, off my sliding glass doors in my dining room. But my mom loved this one so much, so I think I'm actually gonna gift it to her, because once I got it into my space, the pattern on it kind of clashed with the whole vibe going on in the room. But I do think it's really, really cute, and it is so plush, it's so nicely made, and it was only $20. And honestly, it's really hard to find a good rug with that quality for $20. So I love it, but I do think I'm gonna gift this one to my mom. Just because she really loves it, and I think it would look really good in her house. But I still wanted to share it with you guys because it is really, really cute, and it may go with some of your guys' style. And then I picked up one other little random thing when I was in there, when I was on my way out. I got sucked into the clothes, and I picked up these little workout shorts. I love the color of them. It's kind of like a periwinkle blue. I just think they're so cute. When I go to the gym, I usually like to wear like all black or I like to have all black with one like statement color on with me. I think that this would be really cute to wear with like a black shirt and then my black Adidas. I think they would be really cute. And these were only $4.99. Literally $4.99 for these, which I thought was such a great deal. The brand of these is Champion, and this size that I got was a medium, and they fit literally perfectly, and I just could not believe that they were $4.99. $4.99. So that is everything that I picked up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was a little something different, but still really interesting. I didn't show you like a lot of decor, but just like everyday home things. So hopefully you liked it. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys hopefully in my next one. Bye guys.